Hey everybody, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. Tasty Tuesday, stop 3 is one of my personal favorites, Johnny's Frying Coop. You've heard me talk about them before. They are located on Lankford Highway in the parking lot of the post office. So to Google them, you just Google the Oak Hall post office here, and they're in the parking lot. Wednesday through Saturday. They are open, Wednesday through Saturday from 10:30 in the morning till they're sold out, or 4 o'clock, whichever comes first. So they are selling Nathan hot dogs now. And I'll give you the quick look at their menu. Let's see, can you see that? They've got breast and wing boat, tender boat, 8-piece box. You can't see that really that good. Anyway, they also have cornbread right now and corn nuggets. So anyway, I'm going to talk to you more about the food here in a little bit. So everybody knows Johnny's is, I'll show you this. Johnny's is the original restaurant from Tammy and Johnny's from down the county. Amazing fried chicken. You've heard me talk about them all the time, but I love their food. If you're on the mainland, highly recommend stopping here at Johnny's Frying Coop and trying their chicken. I'm just gonna see if you can see their menu a little bit better. There you go. There's their menu. So you can see that they have, like I said, the cornbread, the corn nuggets, and then right now they even have funnel cake fries. So there's their menu. French fries are the best French fries, but you'll see me talk about them here in a minute. Once they get my food out, cannot wait. I always get the 2 thighs and the fries because they're amazing. So hold on. Very important. Cash only here at Johnny's. Cash only. Sorry, it's windy outside. Okay, so I love Johnny's. So he wanted me to try his funnel cake fries. So I love funnel cake fries anyway, because look at this. Lots of powdered sugar. And hot. Oh cow. Anyway, oh my God. All right, Carmen, try funnel cake fry. And this is Carmen. She's going to tell you what she thinks of funnel cake fries.
Delicious. Very good.
Very hot, but delicious. Oh my gosh. Now, for my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Their fried chicken. There's Carmen's. Oh, she did give you fries. She got the breast and a leg with some fries and corn nuggets. And their corn nuggets are amazing. You can see in my car. Alright. 2 thighs and their fries. These fries are some of the best fries. I always like my fries extra crispy, well done. Don't need it here. I can't try the chicken right now, but because it's fresh. But look how flaky and crispy, and that skin is the best skin in the world. Yeah, see how you can see the steam coming out of there. But there's the corn nuggets, and they are very good too. Johnny's Frying Coop, Lankford Highway, Oak Hall Post Office. Tasty Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed it.